My beloved child, I am here to restore everything you hold dear. Your finances, your soul, your mind, and your heart. I see the burdens weighing on your shoulders, and I promise to ease your load. The gates of heaven are open wide, ready to pour abundant blessings upon you. Understand this deeply. Do not follow the ways of those with corrupted souls who chase empty riches and criticize the less fortunate. Your faith affirms my presence, and your heart confirms the truth of my words. If you accept my word and my will, and place me first in your life, I will shower you with abundant blessings. If this message resonates with you, please like and share it to spread the peace and comfort to others. When you extend your helping hand to those in need, I will indeed bless you. Those with pure hearts, who rise each day with a sincere desire to grow and progress, guided by honesty and hard work, will be rewarded. Do not forget these words. Let them echo in your mind daily. This message is meant for you, my dear child. I desire prosperity for you in every aspect of your life, just as your soul prospers. If you believe in my power to transform you, take a step forward now. I am extending my arms to show you the way. In my hands, I hold your liberation. Your life can change through faith, not by your strength, but by trusting in my love for you and my limitless power. If you continue to believe you deserve the misfortunes that have befallen you, if you doubt my words and seek the counsel of those who do not have your best interests at heart, you will remain stagnant and enslaved. I want to set you free, but your adversaries sow doubt in your heart. Change your way of thinking. Surrender that struggling mind. Come with confidence. I will not judge you. Come tomorrow. You will hear my word, and your soul will grow stronger. We will journey together toward your freedom, one step at a time. I want you to experience my love, which will transform your heart and mind. I love your family, and you love me. I will grant you victory and protection. The choice is yours now. Where will you turn? Do not flee aimlessly, thinking it will solve your problems. Listen to my guidance. Run into my loving arms. Here, you will find safety and peace. In this world, you may face adversity, but trust that I have conquered the enemy, disease, fear, and wickedness. I am your Lord, your friend, your God. When you walk, I am always by your side, even if you don't see it. Countless victories have been achieved with my help in your daily life. Consider this. There are no limits for you if you put your faith into action. I have gifted you with my love, freedom, peace, joy, and security. But these gifts are not meant for you to sit idle, fearing everything and missing the opportunities I have already given you. Rise and reach out your hand. Seize the blessings I have prepared for you. They are yours to share with those you love. Your spirit is stirred by my words. A flame reignites long-forgotten dreams and desires. Move forward. A life filled with excitement, joy, and rediscovered emotions awaits you. I will infuse you with such strength that you will feel the energy of your youth once more. Your spirit will be revitalized, your mind rejuvenated, and your entire being transformed. I am making all things new. I command you to rise, to be courageous, and to persevere when you feel you can no longer bear it. It is time to take that leap of faith needed for triumph. From my throne flows a river of living water to quench your thirst and provide strength. I want you to live, to be happy, and to fulfill the purpose I have for you. No excuses, for you are not old, not finished, and never defeated. Stand up. It's time to triumph. Trust in me. Everything will turn out well. You await good news, and it will come soon. My power manifests in those who sincerely and simply believe in me. Miracles happen when you entrust your heart to me and have unwavering faith, banishing doubts from your mind and words. Speak my word with faith and proclaim, I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me, and I will never be defeated. I want your heart to swell with a divine sensation that will remain with you, reminding you of my promises. When faced with challenges, remember these words and let them guide you. You are not alone. I am always with you. Your life is a journey, and I am here to walk it with you, step by step. If you found peace in this message, please like and share it with others. Let them too find comfort and hope in these words.